Afternoon, 2007 Dodge Caliber with a small evaporative leak flowing right now. Check the system from front to back. Closed all the purge valves off. Have come into the tank access area. Don't know if you can see that or not. See the bubbles coming out of the plug for the pump assembly. I'm going to blow the bubbles away here. And there's more bubbles. Let me try and move that right there. I'm going to spray of bubbles. I'm going to get another spray of bubbles in there. So that's still considered a small evaporative leak by the system. The rest of the system is solid. We will recommend the module assembly to stop this small evaporative leak on this 2007 Dodge Caliber. Could only smell vapor, and of course using the smoke machine. And a slight leak. Thanks for watching Craig's Car Care.